Hello there, my name is Brian Randall, and I've been working with databases for multiple decades. I don't really want to get into the number of years because it just makes me older, but I love building applications that have a database as their foundation. And having done this since the dark ages, I'll have to say that living in the modern era and having great DevOps tools has changed the way I think about building applications and how I deal with my database. Hopefully, as you go through this course, you'll get to understand why I'm so excited. We're going to look at Visual Studio Team Services. We're going to look at deploying databases from a local machine to a local database server, but even better, we're going to build a complete CI/CD pipeline with Visual Studio Team Services, Microsoft Azure, and SQL Database. You'll first learn about why it's important to have good tools. We'll look at SSDT, and we'll look at the Visual Studio Team Services platform. Then we'll jump right in and look at how version control helps manage our database definitions. We'll look at how we can have work item tracking to get great traceability. And let's be clear, I'm not going to overload you with process and project management. I'm going to show you why just enough traceability with work items will make your life better. Then we'll get to the really good stuff, automated builds, defining release pipelines where we can hands-off have updates to our database be deployed to one or more environments. We'll look at how quality is something that you should bake in from the beginning, and we'll see how we can have tests running locally in your dev box, or even better, as part of your release pipeline. And finally, I'm going to show you some real-world issues that you're going to run into when trying to automate your databases and bringing DevOps. When we do this, we're going to look at things like static data loading. And more importantly, I'm going to show you an end-to-end example where you can have a website deploying automatically with a database, all in a hands-off fashion, from commit to build to release. So hopefully you're as excited as I am and are ready to get started learning about database DevOps with VSTS, Azure, and SQL Database.